Hello guys, it's Prajwal here. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can enable Sony sound system in any of your Android device provided you follow the instruction carefully. I have tested this on my Redmi Note 4, Li 2, Li Max 2 and many of my friends' devices. It is working pretty well. Before starting this video, you can hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon because I keep posting these types of videos related to Android routing, tips, tricks and many custom ROMs related stuff. So firstly, disable all the sound systems like Dolby, Audio Effects and Viper for Android, whichever you have in your Android device. Then download the zip file from the link given in the description box below. Now reboot into the recovery mode and wipe just cache and Delve cache only. Listen carefully, you should wipe only cache and Delve cache only. Now click on install, then flash the zip file which you have downloaded from the description link from the description box below. Then once after finishing, wipe the cache and Delve cache again and reboot the system. Once you have completed these steps, you are perfectly good to go. Now the music app, which is nothing but the Sony sound system, is installed. If you have successfully installed the Sony sound system in your Android device, drop a comment saying in which mobile you have installed and how was your experience, so that it would definitely help many people before flashing this file. In my experience, if you are a normal user and don't want to fiddle around with many customization, just need a optimized sound quality, then it's definitely worth a try. If you are someone who is very geeky, then Dolby or Viper for Android would be just great for you. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If not, please tell me in which aspect I need to improve upon. Thank you.